That's a
Sonic,
nice old...
what are you doing?
Oh, the door opens on the ground. Remote, I was watching TV,
What were you watching, ESPN?
Yeah.
CNN!
Yeah, I was watching CNN.
Did Mark Zuckerberg steal your details?
He sold my Facebook account.
Oh no, that's very bad news. Where do you want to go?
We should go in the kitchen and, cook something. We should cook something, yeah. We should go.
What do you want to cook? Actually, we'll discuss it when we get in the kitchen. Pause the video. Let's make some Kool-Aid!
What? Oh, howdy, feller. I'm just making some Kool-Aid. What do you want for dinner?
I want this kind. Oh boy, I missed.
You better pick that up, feller. You better pick that up right now. Right now.
I'm picking it up.
You pick it up right now, slave.
What the fuck did you tell me?
You better give that back to me, feller. Give it right back.
Party, Daddy.
That's for sure. Oh yeah, look at that one. Oh, look at that one, Jack. Oh, look at that one, baby. Oh, yeah, you see this one, Tails? There's right my bed, baby.
Over here.
What's Tails doing? What's Tails doing? Hey, Tails, stop the video right now. Stop it. No, it happened again. No. Oh, yeah, look at that one, baby. Oh, yeah.
You're supposed to start with me. Pause it, pause it.
Dang nabbit! Damn, you better stop doing right now. You stop doing that better right now. Stop it. Oh yeah, Tim.
Pause it, pause it.
Oh man, that coil looks so good. Hey, Tails, where's Sonic? Hey guys.
What happened to you guys?
I called him a slave.
It doesn't matter. But we made you some Kool-Aid.
Yeah, make some fine good
Thanks,
Kool-Aid.
guys.
Yeah. Now's a fine some Kool-Aid.
Pause.